Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're looking at this 2000 Corvette 5.7 liter V8, black on black, one owner, 39,737 miles. The paint is in great shape. C5 Coupe. It is registered with the C5 official registry. It was ordered from Bowling Green. As I mentioned, one owner. It does have the performance handling package, air induction system upgrade, high performance manifold, active brake control. It has the memory package. Interior's in great shape. It's got the Bose Stereo, power steering, obviously power seats. It's got the Z06 powder coated wheels, upgraded dual exhaust, Corsa touring exhaust. The paint's in very good condition. There's no rock chips, dings, or dents. You do see a couple little chips there, but overall the paint is in very good shape. I know it's hard to see, it's dark in here. We do have better pictures of the vehicle on our website, so you can visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com to see better pictures. Just wanted to show you the vehicle here. We'll get it up in the air as well after we start it up. I'll show you the interior. There's some carbon fiber inlays. Corvette insignia, carpets. Go ahead and start it up. Starts right up as it should. Again, very clean. Seats are in great shape. I know it's hard to see with the video. Check out our website for more pictures. You can see the doors ajar, but no idiot lights on besides the seatbelt, which we're parked, so we're good. You hear the exhaust. As I mentioned, the Corsa touring exhaust. Then I'll let you hear it from the outside. Again, not super loud, but has that nice rumble to it. No smoke. Car runs very clean. Again, 2000 with less than 40,000 miles, one owner. Engine compartment is extremely clean as well. Car's been kept up very nicely. Owned by a female that has driven it very well and kept very good care of it. Go ahead and shut it off. Put it up in the air so you can see the bottom of it. Again, very clean car. The bottom is almost as clean as the top on this 2000 Corvette. Again, if you have any questions, you're interested, please give us a call. 941-355-1955. You can also finance this car. We don't finance directly, but we do have lenders that finance in classic cars and cars in particular. You can also ship this anywhere in the country or worldwide, door to door. Kayla, our office manager, does all our shipping, and she is very good at it, so we can get this shipped anywhere in the country or the world for you, door to door. Just give us a call, 941-355-1955. Just a second here, we'll go underneath. We'll see it. Alright. Alright, we're safe to go underneath. Again, very clean car. Less than 40,000 miles, 39,000 miles on it. Very clean. You don't see any issues on the bottom. Nobody's running over curbs or granite. Parking stops at Publix. Again, in very good shape. If you're interested, please visit our website for additional pictures of the vehicle and some more information of all the upgrades and packages that are in this vehicle. Again, black on black 2000 Corvette Coupe. We also have a 1965 black on black right next to it. As you can see in our showroom here, we have 58,000 square foot of showroom, nothing but cars, from C2 Corvettes, Camaros, some Mustangs, and you'll see some C8 Corvettes and a McLaren down there, obviously a Volkswagen as well. But wanted to review this 2000 Corvette, one owner, 40,000 miles, very clean. If you're interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. Thank you.